Hello everyone, this is Jesse Phillips from Waypoint Technology Group, here to give you guys another tech tip. This one is about using a background image in Trimble Access on a data collector. And to do that, we're going to use the Capture Image tool in Trimble Business Center. So some things you'll need today. You'll need a Trimble Business Center, and then a data collector with Trimble Access, a PC with an internet connection, and a Trimble ID. So we're going to start here in TBC. Have a sample traverse here. Notice we're in a known reference frame, Vermont State Plane. There's this toggle background map button here down here at the bottom. And when you click that, it'll ask you to sign in with your Trimble ID. If you don't have one, you can easily create one right here with this link. I'm going to enter mine. Once you're signed in, you should be able to click the toggle background map button here at the bottom, and you'll see it turns on. It'll probably turn on a street map like this, but you can also change that. If you go to the Project Explorer over here on the left, and to the parent level of the project, this project's called Sample Trav. So if you right click on that and click Properties, you'll see here some of the properties of the project, and under Background Map Type, you can change the map view to digital globe imagery. So you want to zoom in or zoom out as far as how you want the image to be displayed, because as we capture this image, it'll just capture what's inside this plan view here. So depends on how far outside of this traverse area you want to go. So I'd say something like this is pretty good. Once you're zoomed in to the appropriate level, you probably also want to turn off any of this data, because you don't want that'll actually be captured as part of the JPEG unless you turn it off. So if we go to the View Filter Manager, we can turn off all this data, the raw data. If we go to the CAD part of the ribbon, and under here to all the way to the right under Images, the top right is this Capture Image tool. If we click that, the default file name for this JPEG is just the project name, Sample Trav. You can go to this ellipsis button here to see where that's going. Wherever you end up saving this, make sure you look where you're saving it, just so you can easily grab and then transfer to your data collector. Since I'm doing all this on a PC, I'll just save it to my Trimble data folder. So you'll have to find your Trimble data folder on your data collector. And then you want to put this file in the project folder that you're working in. For me, I created one called JPEG. So you're going to put this the same place you'd put, let's say, like a DXF file or CSV file, files you're linking to the jobs that you're working on. So you can adjust the resolution here. I'm going to leave it at the highest resolution. You can also do this two ways. You can just capture this image, this whole image that you see in the plan view, or you can do a plot, or select a plot box if you want, just to do a small area within the plan view. So once you know where you're saving it, you have the resolution picked, you'll click Apply, and that will capture that image. So just to show you guys what it looks like where I saved those files is in the Trimble data folder under Projects. I have this project JPEG, and you can see how it saved 3 files actually after hitting that Apply button. It created a JPEG, also a JPEG world file, which is this JGW. So you'll definitely need at least these 2 files copied to the project folder that you're working. This other one, the KML, is for using in Google Earth, so it's not really necessary for what we're doing in Access. Then we're going to go to Trimble Access. Here's the JPEG project that I have created. I could just create a new job. We'll call it image. We'll make sure that we set the coordinate system the same as the Trimble Business Center project where we captured the image. So that was Vermont State Plane. The center project height of 0. Now here in the Layer Manager tab, under Map Files here, you see Sample Trav JPEG as an option to select. So we'll turn that on by selecting it. There should be a check mark next to it. That means it should be displayed when we open this job. There is your captured image. your background image in Trimble Access. If it comes through in black and white, if it's not in color like this, there is a setting within Trimble Access in the map settings here. If we click this map setting button here, if yours is black and white, you might have this monochrome map check mark set, so you want to uncheck monochrome and then it should be color. And there you go. Hopefully you guys find this useful and helpful for having a background image in the field so you can work more efficiently in the field. Well, thanks for joining me, guys, for another tech tip. This was how to display a background image in Trimble Access. If you guys need any help or support, please feel free to reach out to our tech support at waypointtech.com email or our help portal, or you can call me at the number above as well. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good day.